I think we understand that heart health is a priority in America, but we don't always hear about the gut microbiome and how intestinal permeability can reflect on our overall health.
Yep.
With research indicating that 90% of our neurotransmitters are manufactured in our gut and that 70% of our immune system resides there, what can we do to encourage providers and patients to focus on these underlying causes of poor health?
One of the biggest issues that I've noticed, and I'd love to hear people's thoughts on this, is that there's no real easy way of measuring gut health. So if I do a microbiome study, and there's some good companies out there doing this right now, you'll get a whole spattering of results, and you're not quite sure how to interpret it because it's so complicated. Right? You'll have 50 different pathways, not just bacteria, pathways that by which bacteria thrive or don't. So understanding that and interpreting it becomes more of a challenge. I usually start off by just a couple basic issues. Do you have a food allergy? Which we can do with an elimination diet, assess that, so you can do it on your own. Use those early tools to get people to realize the power of what they're putting in their body. And then once they're sort of interested, you can then get them obsessed about it by taking it to the next level, which is more official tests and stool samples and the like.
Yes, I agree. And I appreciate that you've done a lot of work with the David Lynch Foundation. And I've had the pleasure of spending some time with Bobby Roth and studying TM.
Good guy.
He's a great guy. And how would you implement or be recommending this with the approach of traditional medicine or functional medicine or even natural medicine? How do we get those to communicate and use that approach?
Well, I meditate. I have found it incredibly effective. Many of us do meditate, just have different ways of doing it. I tell women when they have lots of kids around them, just go to the bathroom, put the lid down. You're not actually going potty. Just gonna put the lid down. No one's gonna bother you in the bathroom. And for 5 minutes, just zone out. And you can use music. Transcendental meditation uses a mantra, but it is a powerful tool to center us. It's a lot better for you than narcotics or other sedatives. And it takes you to a place where you become more creative. And one big message I always tell folks that I have and my own kids is, you know, work hard, you have to, but work smart. Don't just work hard. And meditation helps you work smart.